On Tech It Out, we often bring you interesting stories from the world of robotics. Up next, see how robots are advancing and are now able to do much more than you can imagine.
Robots can now self-replicate. Designed by US scientists, the world's first computer-designed living robots can biologically replicate themselves in a unique way. These Pac-Man-shaped organisms can make copies of themselves. About the size of poppy seeds, the tiny Xenobots are designed by artificial intelligence and built from frog cells. The organisms are capable of finding and gathering hundreds of loose frog cells together to assemble Xenobot children. The new robots soon grow up to look and move like their parent robots. The replicating process continues over generations of Xenobots. Scientists claim that the prospect of self-replicating Xenobots should not spark concern, and that in the future, these could be used in medical applications.
So it may be in the long term, we're able to create biobots from human cells, and they might actually have medical applications. You might be able to ingest one of these bots and have it do useful work inside the body.
There are many interesting developments happening in the space of robotics, such as this announcement by Russian company Promobot. The tech startup will pay a whopping $200,000 to someone who agrees to hand over the rights to their face. The applicant needs to be over the age of 25 and, according to startup, should have a kind and friendly appearance. The human face will be used in the company's new line of robots and will be deployed in busy places like hotels and shopping malls. The company claims it has received over 20,000 offers and has now closed the application process. Let's just say, robotics will never cease to surprise us.
Meet Mr. Robot, a Palestinian-made educational robot that interacts with students at a Gaza school. This locally made educational robot teaches students about electric circuits and helps them with their lessons. Local engineers say the robot is a first of its kind in the Palestinian enclave, where electrical tools and components are scarce. It offers a valuable addition to the school's educational system. According to a Palestinian science teacher, this robot doesn't replace teachers, it assists them. The bot helps teachers in the classroom by greeting students and taking questions. Its functionality is limited. The amount of information that the robot receives and sends is small compared to other robots in the world. But it sets a good foundation for modern education in a war-torn region. Children missing school because of serious illnesses are now getting a chance to be seen in the classroom. Meet Buddy, a telepresence robot service. Sick children who are at home or in hospital connect to their classes via their home computer and are represented in the classroom by Buddy. France aims to send out 4,000 Buddy robots to schools around the country by 2022. This will help homebound students continue their education and not feel left out.
This robot is inspired by how birds land and perch on branches. A team of engineers at Stanford University have built robotic graspers that can fit on drones and enable them to catch objects and grip various surfaces. It has a 3D printed structure that took 20 iterations to perfect. The robot's clutching action takes 20 milliseconds, and once wrapped around the branch, an accelerometer in the right foot tells the robot it has landed. This in turn triggers a balancing algorithm which tilts the bot forward to avoid falling like real birds. Roboticists often look to animals to resolve difficult engineering problems, but mimicking the way birds fly and perch after millions of years of evolution is no easy feat.
Robot engineers at Cornwall-based Engineered Arts have unveiled a new human-like android. It's called Amica. A short promo video released by the company shows Amica seemingly waking up, looking at its hands and then towards the camera. Amica has grey-colored skin, with deliberately gender and race-neutral characteristics. The company describes it as the world's most advanced human-shaped robot, representing the forefront of human robotics technology.
I'm standing next to two Amicas. They're our latest generation of humanoid robot designed for human-robot interaction. So the reason for making a robot that looks like a person is to interact with people. So human face is a very high bandwidth communication tool, and that's why we've built these expressive robots.